ikaw yung mag-hi. Saka mag-explain.
Hi, we're back.
Teka lang, pause mo na. Bigyan mo ng mga 2 seconds para pwede ko siyang i-cut.
Okay. Hi, we're back for episode 2.
And on episode 1, we had 4 guests. Thank you for allowing us to call you and bother you. So for episode 2, we're doing something different.
We're gonna ask each other questions, and one will answer just yes or no, and then what?
It's 10 questions generated by ChatGPT. They are yes or no questions lang. But out of the 10 questions, we only get to explain a maximum of 3. So blind question siya. Yes or no. Bawal ang
Maybe.
bawal din ang medyo.
Pwede.
Ganyan. Hindi namin alam which ones are more worth the explanation. Basta we only get 3 explanations for the 10.
And we have different questions for each.
Yeah, yon, tama. Ikaw muna magtanong.
Wait, so it depends on the question when I'll decide
To
to
use.
use the 3.
Yes.
Okay.
You can use them consecutively, pero pag naubos mo na, hindi mo na pwede gamitin yung explanation mo for the others.
Okay. Okay, first question. Have you ever pretended to be busy just to avoid someone you care about?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Number 2, would you lie to your partner if the truth would make you look worse but change nothing for them? Yeah.
No. No.
No? Have you ever imagined faking your own death just to see who would show up at the funeral?
Yes, I will use my first explanation.
Okay. Yes?
Oo, yes. Kasi, I imagined it when I was younger. Like, below 20.
Okay.
Siyempre, emotera ka ng mga period na yun. So, yun.
So, bawal follow-up, no? Ako, bawal mag-follow up.
Pwede ka mag-follow up naman. Basta I cannot exceed the 3. So, I already used 1.
Okay. So, 4th question. Do you think you've ever been the villain in someone's story and felt fine about it? Yeah. The joke.
Bakit ka nakikisagot? Questions ko yun eh. Again, ulitin mo.
Okay. Do you think you've ever been the villain in someone's story and felt fine about it?
Yes, of course. Hanggang doon lang pala muna. It's not worth the explanation, but yes.
Okay. Have you ever stalked someone's social media so deeply you knew things that they hadn't told you?
Ulit-ulit may part na medyo malabo.
Have you ever stalked someone's social media so deeply you knew things they hadn't told you?
No.
Okay. Number
Bakit
6.
may reaction? Bakit may reaction ha?
Kasi ako meron eh. I mean, like, personally. Gusto ko sumagot. Number 6.
Okay.
Would
Tala
you
lang.
take back an ex if they beg, even though you'd never admit it out loud?
No.
No. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Number 7. Do you think you're more emotionally mature than your parents were at your age? Feeling mo ba mas mature ka sa parents mo ngayon na kung parehas kayo ng age? Yung time na age nila.
Anong number na to?
7.
Sige, gagamitin ko yung second
Okay.
explanation ko. Kasi, I think yes and no. Because, syempre dalawa sila. Feeling ko, I'm not mas mature sa mother ko because at this age, she already had 2 children. But I think I'm more mature sa father ko when he was 37. Okay.
So, 8. Have you ever ended a friendship and not regretted at all?
Have I ever ended?
And not regretted.
Yes, of course.
Number 9. If someone offered to reveal exactly what people say about you when you're not around, would you say yes?
Again? Mahina yung comprehension ko pala.
If someone offered to reveal exactly what people say about you when you're not around, would you say yes? So, ispluk nila.
Of course not. Hindi ako ganun ka-brave. Ay, sorry.
I had to know. Okay.
Meron pa rin naman akong, siyempre nagamit ko na yung last explanation ko. Meron pa rin naman akong ego. So,
Ay,
let's
sayang.
let's keep some things
Parang
a
gusto
secret.
ko explain mo yung dulo. Have you, number 10, so last.
Last question.
Have you
Okay.
ever stayed in a relationship just because you were scared to be alone?
Yes.
Okay. So, care to explain the joke? So, there you go. That's the 10 for her, for Abby.
Again, the rules are, there are 10 random questions. We had ChatGPT generate this. We don't have the same questions for each of us. So out of the 10, all yes or no questions lang. And you only get to explain 3. First question. Have you ever felt secretly relieved when someone canceled plans, even if you like them?
Yes. Of course.
No explanation?
No.
Okay. Number 2. Would you change one major thing about your personality if it guaranteed you'd be loved more?
No. Care to explain? Yeah, I don't really care. I mean, I don't care about people, but, it's fine. Who loves me, loves me.
Okay. So one explanation na yun, ah.
Okay,
You
fine.
used one. Number 3. Have you ever ignored a text for so long that it became too late to reply and you just hope they'd forget?
Yes.
Parang kilala ni ChatGPT na para sa'yo to.
Yes. Sorry.
Yung side context lang yun. Yung phone niya, merong ilan?
As of now, it's 91.
Unread messages. Okay.
Yes.
Yan. So may isa ka na nagamit, right?
Yeah.
Number 4. Do you think you're capable of cheating under the perfect circumstances? Like you won't get caught, it will benefit you.
No. No.
Baka you're saying no kasi ako yung nagtatanong. Baka pag iba nagtanong, yes yung answer mo.
Gusto mo ba may explanation?
Hindi, up to you to use that
No.
explanation. I mean,
I don't think so.
okay. Okay, I will accept the answer. Number 5. If your browser history from the past month got leaked, would it ruin at least one relationship in your life?
No. How boring.
Boring, puro mga kaso yung mga sinesearch niya. I'm assuming. Number 6. Have you ever hoped someone failed just a little so you'd feel better about yourself?
No.
Ay, hindi yes. Yes with an explanation. I was expecting yes.
No, pwede ko, ilan na? Pang ilan ko na yan?
Kung mag-explain ka second.
No, like, anong number na?
Number 6. Diba?
Wait, is it better about myself?
Have you ever hoped someone failed? Kahit konti lang. So you'd feel better about yourself. Make you feel better lang.
No.
No
But,
pa rin.
like, with explanation.
Okay.
Pero, hindi naman ako sobrang innocent na hindi ko gusto na feel ever na parang feel siya. But, if the better about myself, no. Pero it's more of, see, sabi ko na nga.
Parang mas I told
Parang,
you so
yes,
than...
parang, medyo,
okay.
you deserve that. Sorry. Ganon.
Okay. So nakatuwa na
Okay,
na
2.
explanation. Number 7. Would you date someone who had every quality you wanted, but your friends hated them?
Yes.
No explanation?
No explanation.
Okay. Well, I guess your friends love you and would understand later on.
Yes.
Number 8. So last 3. 8, 9, 10. Have you ever emotionally manipulated someone and knew it while you were doing it? Are you going to use your last explanation lifeline for number 8?
Yes.
No explanation?
No explanation.
Hindi na
No.
mag-explain. Okay. Like a true Scorpio. Okay. So number 9. If you had to expose either your finances or your group chat screenshots, would you hesitate?
Yes. Yes, kilala niyo kayo.
You're watching, you're listening.
Yes, so I will hesitate and will not surrender it.
Okay. Last question. Do you think you're more interesting online than you are in real life?
No. With explanation, I'm really not interesting online. You will not see. Will not see. Well, you'll see something, but
Well, at least the post that I tag you in.
and you will see Abby's post. So almost everything, it's Abby's post. I just reposted.
So, those are the 10 questions. Hindi naman masyadong interesting yung iba. Hindi ka nag-explain dun sa ano. I was hoping you would explain sa pagmamanipulate. But, well,
No. No, no.
no pa rin.
No pa rin. Sige, pero ikaw, anong gusto mo i-explain sa'yo? If someone offered to reveal exactly what people say about you, bakit di ka mag-yes? Bakit would you say yes? Saan ka scared doon?
So, the context is, may taong mag-explore sa akin ng sinasabi ng ibang tao
Yes.
about me.
Yes.
Parang I'd rather not. Ay, ano masagot ko?
Sabi mo, no, you're not brave enough
To know.
to know.
Kasi, pwede, I mean, I've learned it sa sarili ko na my image matters to me. Not as much, pero, especially if it's negative,
Mm.
parang, hindi naman ako bato para hindi ma-affect. I'm not saying I'm gonna be hurt, pero yung parang, alam mo yun, masasite ka lang na parang maging mas self-conscious ako. Depende din sa kung saan, kung like regular friends ba, which group, sa
Depende
work
sa
ba,
tao, no?
'di ba? So, depende sa tao nagsabi sa'yo. So parang I'd rather not be given the full context. Siguro I would better appreciate kung someone would talk to me and say, you need to improve on this, or yung gano'n na lang. Kaysa yung pa-chismis style na, hoy, sabi ni ganito, ganyan ka daw. Parang gano'n. So, mas prefer ko yun. So,
Ako gusto ko malaman.
bakit ang gagawin mo? Habang lalaban ka?
Hindi, at least alam ko. Pero syempre, hindi ibig sabihin yun, i-judge ko na yung person. Kasi, na nagsabi,
Aha.
I mean, I'm not saying na it's always behind my back. It's just, it could be a comment
Mhm.
about me. It could be just an opinion. Or yung pagkakasabi rin kasi sa akin, nung taong magsispluk sa akin, pwedeng maiba rin yung context. So, hindi ko naman agad i-judge yung tao na inispluk.
Among the 10, what was the hardest to answer?
Patingin nga. Yung sa would you date someone, siguro explain ko. Kasi ako naman yung magde-date. Hindi naman yung friends ko. Yung, would you date someone who had every quality you wanted but your friends hated them? Parang, did that with you. Well, they don't hate you, pero parang, shucks, ano sasabihin?
Salamat
Lower batch siya.
Salamat
No, hindi naman sa ayoko ng mga friends ko. Pero parang, may comment sila na, uy, lower batch yun. Oh, ano naman ko lower batch?
Alam ko kung sino kayo at alam kong mahal nyo na ako
Yeah,
ngayon.
yeah. Pero yun nga, parang, they will they will trust my choice naman eventually. Ano pa ba?
Ito, yung exposing your finances or screenshots. Kung
Oo.
papipiliin ka na lang between the two, I wasn't expecting the question to end like that eh. Would you hesitate? Of course you would. Pero, kung pipili ka, at wala kang choice talaga, finances mo o screenshots?
Finances. Guys, finances ko na lang.
True friends. True friends siya.
Don't worry mga kilala nyo kung sino kayo. So, hindi talaga. Hindi ko expose yun. Yung bank account ko na lang. Wala naman masyado makikita.
Why wouldn't you cheat under the perfect circumstances? Perfect, pwedeng hindi ka mahuli. Lahat beneficial sa'yo. Wala kang mamamatay kasi alam ko isa yun sa mga no-nos mo eh. Yung may physical na masasaktan eh.
Feeling ko capable naman talaga ako to do that, like technically, na hindi mahuli. Non-given na siya.
Napakayabang.
Yeah. Pero, kaya nga, if it's a given, parang hindi ko rin naman gusto kasi personally, parang feeling ko it would reflect on me. Feeling ko mismo yung hindi magiging masaya. Kasi taliwas siya sa values ko. So, if hindi kita talaga love, the joke lang.
And this is of course applicable not just for romantic relationships but also
Yeah.
friendships, familiar relationships, professional relationships.
Parang, I'd want to keep everything para lahat patas lang na hindi ka nag-cheat sa anyone unless you cheat on me. Joke lang.
Nagpa-prompt lang ako, mag-generate ako ng 5 more questions.
Na pwede na natin sagutin.
Oo, together.
Okay.
Okay, ito, mababaw lang to. Question number 1, have you ever Googled yourself?
Yes. You?
Yes. Oo. I mean, cybersecurity related. Kasi gusto ko lang malaman kung
Kung ano yung lumalabas.
Oo, ano yung lumalabas. Especially during the times na job hunting.
Siya yun. Ako wala talaga. Sinush ko lang talaga sarili ko.
So number 2, have you ever lied about liking a gift?
Yeah.
Ako, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Kasi parang, for me, mas importante yung person. I mean, the thought that counted.
Yes.
Kaysa ma-hurt siya.
Pero parang appreciative naman.
Yeah. Oo, syempre. Lalo na sa ekonomiya ngayon.
Just the thought na nag-effort talaga sila to give gifts.
So, number 3, would you survive a zombie apocalypse longer than your best friend?
Sorry. Yeah. Pero like, a few seconds lang. A few
Bakit?
seconds lang.
Bakit ka mas magsusurvive?
Baka mas malinaw yung pandinig ko, pero di ko sure di rin masyado malinaw. Baka sa pesto lang. Ganon. Or
Okay.
mas by a few seconds lang na mabilis yung pagkilos ko, pero sunod din siya. Ganon.
Sa akin, I will not survive. I
Kasi
mean,
baka matapa ka.
runner siya, marathoner yung kaibigan ko, di ba?
Mhm.
So, hindi ako magsusurvive talaga. Nasa kilometer 21 na siya, nasa kilometer 3 pa lang ako.
Yes.
So, ako na yung pain dun sa zombie para makalayo siya. Number 4, last 2 na lang. Have you ever had a crush on a cartoon character? Ay!
Baka ikaw.
Hindi. Sige, ikaw. Sorry, you were saying
No,
something.
sige, ikaw. Kasi alam ko yung mga pinapanood mo na may anime kang pinapanood. So, medyo pwede ka naman ma-attract sa anime, di ba? But,
Yeah, pero ano pa ako noon, teens pa ata ako. Sa Ghost Fighter, super crush ko dati si Dennis.
paano ka magkaka-crush sa Bugs Bunny? Diba? Hey Arnold, Arthur. Yung mga pinapanood. Medyo
Tama ba Dennis ba kasi Vincent?
matanda na
Eugene
ako,
Alfred.
nanonood pa ako
Dennis
cartoons
lang.
eh. So siya, cute yung mga cartoons na pinapanood niya, anime. Ako talaga parang Dexter's, diba?
Last question. Would you go on a reality TV show if no one you knew would see it? Like, sure ka na wala kang kakilala na makakapanood ng reality show na yun?
Magkano?
Woo! Woo! Pera tayo dito.
Pag ganon, sige. Pwede.
Ako, maybe yes. Depende sa context. Like mga Amazing Race, I can probably join. I'm not gonna
Sa
win.
zombie apocalypse, ayaw mo, Amazing Race, gusto mo?
Hindi ko naman sinabing mananalo ako. Sabi lang naman niya, join, di ba? Consider lang naman na to go on a reality TV show. So,
Basta
parang
walang makakita.
go ka.
Depende nga magkano.
Basta ako naman, depende sa context ng reality TV. Saka syempre, syempre pag i-shoot mo yun, makapag-leave ba ako sa office?
Wait, ano ba? Parang Keeping Up with the Kardashians? Ganun yung life mo? Lifestyle
Pwedeng
ba?
reality TV,
O
pwedeng
date, The Bachelor?
mga ganun. Grabe naman yung mga sayo. Sa akin, Amazing Race. Sa'yo, Keeping Up with the Kardashian. Huwag naman ganun. So anyway, that's it.
That's it.
This is also a fun game you can probably do with your friends,
Yes.
family, special someones. And we hope you enjoyed this episode.
Yeah. And we can go home.
Bye! Thank you.